How to pass your Security Plus exam. SY0-701. My name is KD. This is the realest exam prep you'll ever get for the CompTIA Security Plus exam. Alright, let's get straight to it. You want to pass the Security Plus exam, and I'm here to make sure you don't waste your time, your energy, or worse, your money. Because let's be honest, most Security Plus study resources out here, they're either dry as toast with no butter, confusing as hell, or trying to trick you out of your rent money or mortgage payment. But don't worry, I got you. This is CyberDefendLab. No dumb stuff, no nonsense, just the realest and most effective Security Plus training you'll find online. This is Security Plus exam prep, no BS, just results. The Security Plus struggle. Let's talk about the struggle. It's real. You ever try reading one of those Security Plus exam prep books? It's like trying to read a technical book in the dark with one eye open and the other eye closed. Here are a few examples from a Security Plus exam prep book. The CIA triad is the fundamental security principle of blah 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 blah. X.509 certificates provide a cryptographic method of verifying blah 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 blah. Cloud security considerations include hypervisor vulnerabilities and containerization. Blah blah blah. What? What does any of that even mean? And then you think, okay, maybe I'll take a boot camp or something. That's cool. Just be ready to drop $3,000 to have some guy read you a PowerPoint slide. Some overpriced instructor inside a boot camp will say to you, now, let's go over key security protocols. But if you want the really good stuff, you'll need to upgrade to my $997 masterclass. No, nope. That's definitely not what you're looking for or what you need. The solution? CyberDefendLab Security Plus Exam Prep. Why CyberDefendLab Security Plus Exam Prep? No overpriced courses. Everything you need right here for free. No 5-hour boring lectures. Nobody has time for that. No nonsense. Just straight to the point, real world cybersecurity training. Think of this as Security Plus training for normal people. You won't just memorize random security terms, you'll actually understand them and maybe even laugh along the way. What's actually on the exam? Okay, let's break it down because CompTIA is going to hit you with 5 domains and they are all sounding way more fancier than they actually are. There's general security concepts, which make up 12% of the exam. That's basically Security 101, stuff like encryption, authentication, and why your grandmom's password 123 is a bad idea. Then there's a domain called threats, vulnerabilities, and mitigations. That makes up 22% of the exam. This is where you learn how cyber criminals operate. And honestly, some of these hackers are creative as hell. Another domain, security architecture. That's roughly 18% of the exam. Think of this as the blueprint for keeping bad guys out. Then there's security operations, 28%. The biggest section of the exam. This is where you actually do security, like monitoring, incident response, log analysis. You know, the stuff you'll get paid for. Then finally, there's security program management. That's roughly 20% of the exam. This is the corporate side of security. That's policies, compliance, and how to look busy in meetings. And don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with a 2-hour lecture on governance, risk, and compliance. I'll make sure you actually get it without falling asleep. The exam itself. CompTIA. They love tricky questions and messing with your head. They will hit you with multiple choice questions with answers that all sound right, but somehow they're all wrong except for one answer, hidden in technical mumbo-jumbo. Here's what a question might look and sound like. If Alice uses asymmetric encryption to send Bob a message, but Bob's key is compromised, and an attacker is sniffing packets, What's the most secure mitigation? If what? Who? Who's Alice? Is her key or Bob's key compromised? Somebody sniffed something. What? Why is this so dramatic and weird? Look, I got you. I'll break down everything. No surprises, no stress. The no paywall promise, because it's free. Let's be clear. Everything in this course is free. No paywalls, no hidden fees, no elite masterclass nonsense. Final words. Time to get to work. Hit that like button. Not for me, but for you. So YouTube stops recommending you those 4 hour long videos where they try to put you to sleep. Like equals less boring study videos. And look, if you're studying for the Security Plus, this is not the time to wing it. Trust me, CompTIA is out here writing questions like they're trying to ruin your day on purpose. So, do yourself a favor. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't end up cramming the night before and praying for a miracle. Subscribe equals no last minute panic. And if you know someone out here suffering through bad Security Plus study recommendations, please share this video. Be a good friend. Don't let them get tricked by overpriced bootcamps and useless PDFs. Share equals save a friend from wasting $3,000. All right, that's it. No more overthinking. No more wasting time. You want that Security Plus certification? Let's get it. Once again, my name is KD, and this is Cyber Defend Lab.